Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you something special and the video is totally for 20 years old child. Okay, done. If you are 20 years old then listen to this advice and it is very important to listen. Okay, so the number one advice for you that at least you should read one book a week. Second, do 10 push-ups a day which will help you to stay or make you fit. So don't spend too much time thinking about your college crush. He or she will get married to someone else and have kids and will settle in her own life. So don't just think and waste your time on that, okay? Next, wear a helmet while driving or riding a bike. So it's very important to protect yourself. You are protecting yourself, that means you are protecting your family. Next, don't spend much on clothing. So it's very important when you see some big personalities, their clothing style is simple. If you look at Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of the Facebook, clothing style is very simple. Okay. Next, don't compare yourself with 30 years old people. See, right now you are in 20. So why are you thinking about 30 years old people? You are in 20, work like 20, think like 20. But think to cross the 20, but do not compare. Okay. Start investing in the stock market as low as 4,000 per month or 5,000. See, if you are in 20, you should at least know about the stock market. Okay, and if you get money, when you start earning money, you just invest it because it will make you rich after 10 or 15 years, like after 30 or 35 years. So don't forget about this. Save 10% of earnings for emergencies. So it's very important to save money for emergencies because during emergency time, no one will help you. Remember these things. So better you start preparation for that. Next, take daily multivitamins. Okay, cut down on sugar intake. Don't try to take sugar. That's it. Try to cut it. Okay. Next, do full body health checkup every year. So it's your responsibility to do your full body health checkup because you are the one who can take care of your body, your family. If you are fit, your family is fit. If you are not fit, your family is not fit. So try to think about your body. Next, fast one day a week. So it's very important. As you know, it is said by our Prime Minister of India. So you can identify him. It's up to you. I just left on you. So next is have a strong sense of ethics. Okay, next, start a blog and start writing one post a week. See, if you don't want to start blog, then it's okay. But at least you should try to start writing book. Okay. Suppose you are not interested in blogging, then just go for other field. But you have to do those things consistently. Okay. Don't hesitate investing money in buying courses. See, if you really want to achieve something, if you really want to do something better, then you should make yourself updated every day. Okay, so don't hesitate in buying some courses or spending money. You spend it, develop your skill. Okay, the next is cut off toxic friends even if it means becoming lonely. See, if you are going to stay lonely, no matter, okay, nothing will be happen, but try to avoid toxic friends. This is the things. If you want to achieve success, you have to stay away from toxic friends. That's it. Next, don't feel jealous of friends who go to other countries for jobs or studies. See, my friends, this is the situations where most of the friends, think about it. Why are you thinking about other people? Why are you running after other people? They have their own life and you have your own life. So focus on your own life. Why are you focusing on their life? So focus on your job, focus on your study, focus on your ambition. Don't focus on some other ambition. Okay, done. Next, don't think about getting married until 30. See, getting married, that's okay. It's good. But you should have proper plan. If you don't have plan, you are going to fail. Okay, so this is the time. Right now you are in 20. So this is the time to focus on plan and achieve success, get married. Okay? And before 30, don't think about it. Because you have to achieve so many things in your life. And this is not the time to get married. Okay? Now we will go further. Now, don't buy a fucking fancy car. So many people try to do show off. Why you need to do show off? I don't know why. If you have car, if you have money, you purchase someone, you need to buy car, okay, then buy lesser amount one. Why you need to show people you have money? Buying car, that means what? You are showing people that you have this much of money. Why are you going for that? No, you can hire cabs also. So just, if you need car, okay, go purchase, but not fancy car. Just don't waste money. Wasting money, better you keep all this money in investment and save for your future generation. They can enjoy their life. Okay, done. Next, don't buy a flat. Okay, so if you have money, just don't invest money in the flat. Okay, try to generate money first, and if it is possible, try to purchase land. Just don't give the money in to the flat owner. Okay. Never ever get into debt. So this is the financial suggestion. Don't try to get loan. Don't try to. So whenever you buy anything, buy in cash, buy in whatever with the help of check, whatever. But don't buy in form of loan. Okay. Next, don't waste time playing computer games except strategy games. See, what I noticed that so many people are, so many students are there, they always watch games, they play games, PUBG or different games are coming, they are enjoying, they are watching. See, these companies are giving you 20-30 rupees for, installing or playing, no use. They are just taking time, they are providing money because they are earning with the help of advertisement. And from that advertisement money part they are giving you like 20-30 rupees. So in the long run you are not going to achieve with 20-30 rupees. So just avoid it and plan something strategic games like from 20 to 30 years what you want to achieve, what will be your plans. So this is your real game. So try to plan it, try to achieve it. Okay. Next. So don't fall for making money in the short term. So even the big millionaire people, they didn't achieve money in the short term. Warren Buffett or so many Ambani, Bill Gates, so many people are there. So they make money in the long run, not the short term. Okay, so don't run for that. Someone will cheat you. Get a pet dog. So this is the best friend for your life. Okay, so it will keep you motivated, it will keep you fresh. You should have meditate at least 20 minutes a day. It will help you to concentrate in your ambition, in your goal. Don't watch phone ever and keep your hands tight. See, you are just wasting time. You just focus on your ambition about these things. Don't gossip about other people. See, what do we common people do? We always gossip about other people. Why are we gossiping about other people? You just talk about your plan, what you want to achieve. You talk to your parents, what ambition you have. Okay? Don't gossip about other people. Hold your tongue when angry. Never lash out on people. So whenever you get angry, try to stay calm. Don't fight anymore. Don't get into fights with random people. So if you are fighting with random people, then you are using your own using your own power. Okay, so just don't avoid it. Travel solo. So whenever you get time, try to travel alone. That's it. Keep moving cities, never settle. See, so many friends are there. What they do, or means after getting job they settle themselves. No, why are you going to settle? First, try to achieve your uh, your requirement. Then after you just go and settle. Never let anyone disrespect you. So only you are the person. First you respect yourself and don't allow others to disrespect you. Okay? Keep up resolutions and commitments to yourself and respect yourself. Your resolutions and commitment should be there and try to respect yourself first. Being punctual, it's a sign of respect. If you are punctual, then people will respect you. So remember that. Publish one book a year, write one chapter a month. So it's your social responsibility to share your ideas, your thoughts to people. Invest in workshops. See, you have to increase your knowledge. You have to stay up to date. So it's you to attend workshops. Don't go to theaters and spend 200 on city popcorn. See, you are going theaters, okay, but do not go. Just don't waste 3 hours, 4 hours, 200 city on popcorn. If you want to go, then okay, go sometime, but don't waste time and don't waste time, your money on city popcorn or whatever. So never ask for permission from parents, teachers, or anyone. Ask for forgiveness. Okay? Learn economics and how debt creates money. Learn Mandarin and Spanish. Find a mentor and stick to one mentor. Don't run for 4 or 5 mentors. Try to stick with only one mentor. Never touch a cigarette. See, so many people think that smoking cigarette is like having feeling like no, don't smoke. Okay. Beer is for losers. See, if someone is taking beer and they are showing that they are the updated man enjoying chill. No, if you are taking beer, alcohol, you are the loser person. Okay. Next, develop your leadership skills, public speaking skills. So important to try to develop all the skills in the age of 20 to 23, 4 years, and it will help you in the long run. You will find massive success not in 10 years but 3 to 5 years. So try to remember about all topics which I have shared, and it will of course help you. Remember, my friend, it will help you. So that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. All the best. Bye bye.